we've done the facing, we've done all of the doors. Now we are moving on to drawers. This is one of my favorite parts about front and center. You basically right here have an entire drawer system that is still linked together, so when you actually fold up your sides, you're seeing white all the way around, so you have a finished edge all the way around. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna just run 2 or 3 dots of glue where my base is gonna be, just a little bead in the 45s. I always like to throw a dot of glue in where the dowels go as well, just a tiny bit to set them. We're gonna set our panel, and then it's literally just pulling all of this together. You've got your dowels in the back, snaps together just like that. We've already got pre-cut channels in the bottom for the drawer glides. I mean, it takes no time at all. When we're installing the drawers and finishing the build out of the drawers, they all come with a really nice snap-in, soft close drawer glide. But these drawer glides, they're really straightforward. You've got 2 connectors that lock the drawer into the hinge itself. I've pre-drilled these holes. Get that one, get this guy installed here. Got that installed, and then really from here, we're gonna finish putting these hinges, the locks, everything on all of the drawers. Then we are going to basically install the drawer without the face on it. Once the drawer is in place, locked into place, we will put the face on with some double-sided tape and self-center everything.